How to use airdrop on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily airdrop photos and videos from one iPhone to another. Let's get started. Open up your Photos app and then go to the photo that you want to airdrop, and then you can even select many photos and videos. So you can go to various photos and videos and then tap on select at the top right, and then you can just select it all and then tap on the arrow like icon on the bottom left. Then you'll be able to see the airdrop option. Just tap on it, and then now the iPhone users that have turned on their airdrop will appear here. You can just tap on it and they'll need to accept your airdrop request, and all the photos and videos will be sent to their iPhone or other Apple devices. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.